There's been a lot of talk about the growing rivalry between the confident and fully capable Kia Forte and the Lamborghini Aventador. So it's time we put this feud to bed once and for all. On a racetrack, at a standstill. Starting with the doors. The Lamborghini's doors go up. The Forte's doors go out. Like doors, real doors. And it has twice as many. The Forte has an available smart trunk. The Lamborghini trunk has, well, an engine in it. The Forte has 15.1 cubic feet of cargo space, which can fit his and her yoga mats, an orchid, the globe, and a set of golf clubs you can't even see because it's obscured by all this other stuff in front of it. The Lamborghini has 5.3 cubic feet, which can, however, fit a small bag made of leather. The Forte has an 8-inch touchscreen. The Lamborghini does not have a touchscreen, but it has a knob and lots of buttons. The Forte has an available 10-way adjustable driver's seat. The Lamborghini seat, well, yeah. The Forte has optional wireless charging. The Lamborghini, it does not. The Forte seats 5 comfortably. The Lamborghini seats 2, with standing room for 3 or more. And while, with its 700 horsepower engine, the Lamborghini does go a little faster, if, you're into that whole speed thing. But for $400,000 less, let's just say you could buy a Forte and a small villa in Italy. The 2019 Kia Forte. Confident,